Courtesy of your Miami Realtors, you now have access to dotloop, free from Miami, including 10 loops for free. dotloop is for real estate agents who want to close more deals faster. Visit the landing page miamirealtors.com/dotloop for details. To log in, start by clicking through the gateway, finding the dotloop icon, and get started and ready to use. dotloop empowers agents with a complete transaction management solution that provides e-signature, forms, sharing, text tracking, storage, and more. You can download the application for effortless document editing, sharing, and e-signing. And that's just the beginning. dotloop also helps you reduce errors, stay compliant, and store your transactions securely. Focus on what matters. Say goodbye to paperwork, easily access and autofill forms, and more. Earn more referrals by delivering a seamless end-to-end experience that wows your clients and their referrals. Write offers anywhere. Whether you're on the road or the beach, get deals done with dotloop for iOS and Androids. Access your transactions from anywhere. With dotloop's iOS and Android app, you can create transactions in seconds. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.